guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to get back all the archived posts. So there are chances that you might have accidentally archived some post or reels from your profile and you're not sure how to get it back. So in today's video, let's see how to get it back and also see how all the posts that you have archived in your account. So it's going to be a quick video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe, guys. So let's get started. So let's say you have accidentally archived something. So let me do that. So I will archive this particular video. If I scroll down, there should be archive button. So click on archive. And I can read that what is mentioned in that pop-up, and if you want to get it back, it's simple. So there is no other option over here in the profile to get it back. For that, you need to go to your menu, and a menu should come up, and here you should see something called as archive. There should be an archive option. So you can click on that, and there should be a drop down here. Click on this drop down, click on the relevant archives what you're looking for. I'm looking for post archives, so click on post archives. So when you click on post archives, you can see the archive video, so which you archived just now. So this is the reel which you have archived. So if you come back and if you long press this one, there should be an option called as show on profile. You can click on that, and it will be unarchived. So it will show again in your profile. So you can do it directly from this archive option, or if you want, you can go to your activity. If you scroll down, there should be again archived option over here. Click on this. Again, you can long press and click on show on profile. Here also you have option to check all the archives, the live archive, stories archive, instance archive, all will be shown over here. So if I click on show on profile, so you'll get this option. Your reel will appear on your profile and people will be able to see and interact with it again. So click on show on profile. So that's all. So it will go away from this archive section, and it should be shown again in your profile. So that's all. That's how you can unarchive or get back all the things, all the reels, posts which have accidentally archived or knowingly archived, and you can bring it back to your profile. So hope this helps. That's how you can get back things to your profile. So if you like the video, please do the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. So yeah, if there are any queries, please post in the comment section, guys. That's all in the video. Let's catch you in next video. Until then, see you. Bye.